Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you one way I make money as selling replacement parts. I do this on quite a few things, but this will just be one example of, we got a older blender from actually a neighbor gave it to me for just to cash in for scrap metal, and we ended up parting it out on eBay, and it turned out that it was over $90 for the parts we sold, and it worked out well. I do this with anything from stove parts to Keurig tank sell for us all the time. There are things you could get at the one we get a lot from the trash, another we get a lot from curb alerts. We could also find them at yard sales and places like that, where you can pick something up for like $5–10 and then part it out for anywhere from $50 to $100 worth of the parts. So this is a little breakdown of everything that's sold on eBay. The beginning of the video I had recorded earlier showing you the different things, but this will just pick up from there, and then I will show you the sold items. Okay, here it is. It's a Sunbeam Mix Master. I found it at the curb. I actually found it at my neighbor's curb, and I actually told him I was taking it, and he said it cut out on him. So it comes with the instruction book, the beater arms, the mixers. It's got the bread one in there. It's got a cord. It's got 2 stainless steel bowls. So what we do is we will take it. Now, as I said, being as he said it cut out on it, I really don't want to chance selling it and have problems with it doesn't work for somebody. So what we will do first, we will take the stainless steel bowls. I'll take them in the house with this, like a Scotch Brite scrub them down really nice, and get them really looking nice. We'll put the 2 bowls on by themselves. Next, we will take the cord that plugs in the side of the mixer, and we'll just wipe it down, put that on by itself. There's 2 sets of beaters in here. There's the bread one, and then there's the standard one. I said what we will do is put the beaters on by themselves. I'll probably do like the bread ones separate than the standard ones for regular mixing on. Put them on by themselves. And then last but not least, the instruction booklet. We'll put that on by itself. Even, I said, these are actually going, I checked the comps on it, and even with the, it's got like the wear and tear, the wrinkliness on it. They're actually going for like right around anywhere from $10 to $14, even in this condition. So when it's all said and done, we part this out, and it comes up anywhere between $40 to $60 just on the parts. One mixer, and then in the end, means the mixer itself has issues. We'll just throw that in the scrap pile, take that to the scrapyard, and we get a few pennies for it there. So that's one of Bolos we do. The first item was the Sunbeam Manual. We got $10.89. I did take free shipping. It shipped in an envelope for under $3. The second item was the stainless steel mixer bowls. It took $15 for them. I had them listed at $22. They offered me $15, and we did get $11.50 shipping. The next item was the beaters for making bread. We got $16, and we got, this was $4 shipping. I don't know, I think I split the shipping cost, so it wasn't that bad. And the other mixer, the beater ends, I got $18 with $4 shipping. The power cord, we got $13.49. And we got, for the turntable, I got $19.70 for the turntable. That also shipped first class, so that wasn't too bad. It was I had the buyer pay $4.50 shipping, so it was not bad at all. I think it was like in the $4 range because it was pretty light, shipped in a padded envelope. So it turned out to be a total of $91.60 we got for parting out a older, it was a steel Sunbeam Mixer from the 70s. My neighbor gave it to me. He said it kept cutting out, so I didn't want to attempt to sell it like in its entirety. But even though I was going to sell it like on eBay, like say if it ran, you'd probably, you know, at the most get like, you know, $30 or $40 for it, and then the shipping will probably be like $30. So a lot of these items, I call them, you know, you just put in their replacement parts and people will buy it. And I said I do quite a few of them throughout the year, and it always does well for us. Like I said, you could do it with stoves, taking the stove knobs. You could do it with Keurigs, do it all the time for us. We find Keurigs a lot of times, like right in people's trash, and still have a good tank, their water reservoir tank, the drip trays underneath where the cup sits, and they sell all day long. I said I can't even keep them in stock, so be on the lookout. It's almost like a Bolo for replacement parts for items. So all in all, if you like the video, like and subscribe, and we will be making some more coming at you soon.